Best video editing apps for Android. Our favorites. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a quick look at some of the top Android applications that are amazing for video editing. Now, I'm going to be discussing three basic tiers in this. I have three applications for you guys, depending on the level of professionalism that you want. So if you want really professional tools, if you want some basic and easy to use interfaces. So depending on your need, you're going to have a different video editor that you would require. So let's jump right in and start discussing our first pick of today. Now, on Android phones, there are so many different, so many different video editors. You have InShot, CapCut, VSCO, and so many other video editors. But in terms of entry-level video editors, I definitely think my number one pick has been CapCut. Why? Now, CapCut is super efficient. You can actually see in its features, in its templates, that it is actually one of the most easy ones to use. You know, it has an easy video editor. If you take a look at the video editor for mobile, they are both available on Android and iOS. They have trendy templates, easy transitions, audio captions, filters, effects, personalized cutouts, in and out animation, and AI generated effects as well. Now, some of the pros include having, multiple different sound effects for free, multitasker, and it can handle complex visual components and video elements as well. It has a bunch of different basic features and that will allow you to save a lot of time. And it is customer friendly and easy to use. But what are the cons of using a video editor like CapCut? Well, sometimes it might require high phone processor-like hardware. Sometimes it cannot be one of the most comprehensive tool, and many of their key features are paid. So if you take a look at their fonts and filters and templates, a lot of the time some of like 5 or 6 of them are available for free, and then the rest are more premium features. Now, in terms of usability, it definitely is my top pick, but generally with its basic features, I do think it's a good video editor. You can see even in the reviews, most people do rank it pretty high. It rates a 4.5. Some people give it a 1 or 2 star, but it usually is pretty good, and it has minor bugs that get resolved pretty easily. For a basic, a day-to-day person like you and I personally think that it would work fine as a video editor. Now, what is the second best application? And these are in no particular order, but for a intermediate level video editor on Android applications, I recommend using the Filmora Android version, which is called VLLO. It is created by Wondershare Filmora, and you might have used their PC version. They have a very professional PC video editing tool. But with their VLLO, with Intuitive Video Editor, there are a lot more features than in CapCut. So CapCut has all the basic features, but VLLO also has some remarkable standout features, which has extensive use of picture-in-picture, which you're not going to find in a lot of other applications. You can add a lot of different elements in one specific frame. Then you also have automatic video stabilization. That is not something you're going to find in a lot of other video editing tools, as well as tracking face blur. Now, this is another one of their standout features, which I definitely do think make it a level or a tier above CapCut and VSCO and InShot and all those basic video editors. Now, in terms of usability, it is easy to use. It's not really that difficult. However, it is slightly more complicated if you're someone that is moving up from using, basic tools like CapCut or InShot. Then it might seem a little bit different. So, however, it still is an amazing tool, and with its key features where you can have full screen previews, you also have stickers and labels to spruce up your videos. You also have a premium subscription that is going to be a monthly subscription, and that allows you to have a lot of different features, a lot of different tools that you would normally not get. You also get 6 elements that you can add into one specific item. So as I was talking to you guys about the fact that you have picture-in-picture mode, so you also can do that with videos. You can add multiple different videos playing at one time, so a background video and a forefront video like that. You can add 6 of those. You can add 6 additional audio tracks, and you also can display your preview on an external monitor. So I definitely do think it's definitely a great intermediate level video editor for Android users. Now, what is a pro level Android application that is going to be amazing and efficient to use? Well, last on my list, and one of the most professional tools on Android out there, is Luma Touch or Luma Touch. So this is a professional video editing software. This is not beginner friendly. They have a lot of different amazing features that can be really intuitive to use if you have some experience. You can see simply by the appearance of the video editor, it definitely is a lot more complicated than a CapCut video editor or VLLO. They have a lot of different integrated features, such as the fact that you have high quality work, you have image stabilization, it runs on H.265. It is also available on multiple devices, and it is a very large application, so you can't really multitask with this application on your Android phone, but still it is definitely one of the top applications out there to get started with video editing. Now, with its standout features being the fact that it's a professional editor, you have all the tools that you would usually have in a platform like your own PC. You have multiple different frames you can add, you have multiple picture-in-picture, you have effects, you have multiple different professional video editing effects. You also have things such as color correction options like your RGB colors, your color charts, and you can really edit the entire video in that format as well. You have multiple different sound options as well as video options, plus a external preview that you can view on your desktop or monitor. So that is why I definitely think that it is the most professional video editing tool available on Android currently. And now you might be wondering, hey, what do I recommend for you? Well, it depends on the user level that you are on. If you're someone that's just looking for basic tools, CapCut is definitely for you. If you're looking for some features that are exclusive to VLLO, like image blur or motion blurs, then you should go for VLLO. But if you're looking for all the premium features and you need multiple different professional tools at once, then LumaFusion is definitely the tool for you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.